Swap thermostat wiring carefully to avoid miswiring that causes HVAC failure, short circuits, or system damage. Move one wire at a time, match terminal letters, and verify power before and after. When replacing a thermostat, first shut power at the breaker and test the system is unpowered with a non-contact tester or multimeter to avoid shorts. Remove the cover and take a high-resolution photo of the old wiring and terminal block so you have a pixel-perfect reference. Label each conductor with a small piece of masking tape and write the terminal letter on it instead of relying on wire color, because color codes vary and previous installers often reused conductors. Loosen one terminal at a time. Pull that single wire free and immediately secure it to the matching terminal letter on the new thermostat. This one wire at a time method prevents accidental swaps and keeps circuits separate. If the new thermostat has a common earth ground or a dedicated common terminal, confirm whether your system requires a common conductor by checking the control board at the furnace or air handler. If a common is missing and the thermostat needs one, install a common wire from the control board rather than trying to repurpose a power conductor. For heat pump systems with reversing valves, identify and mark the O and B functions explicitly, and transfer any auxiliary or emergency heat leads to the correct multi-stage terminals on the new unit. After all wires are transferred, double-check that each conductor is inserted fully under the clamp and that no bare copper is exposed to any adjacent terminal to prevent shorts. Restore power and run through each mode: heat, cool, fan. Manually from the thermostat and verify the outdoor unit, reversing valve, and auxiliary heat respond correctly. If any stage fails, shut power and recheck the specific wire and terminal pairing. Finally, configure the thermostat settings for system type, number of stages, and fan control to match the equipment nameplate so control logic and safety timers operate as designed. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is mislabeling or assuming wire color correctness, which creates incorrect terminal connections and poor heating, cooling, or fan performance. Fix that by labeling and matching terminal letters, not colors, and keeping one wire in hand at a time. One of the next frequent issues is forgetting the common conductor when installing smart thermostats, which results in intermittent power loss and rebooting. Fix by running a dedicated common from the control board or using a compatible power extender kit supplied by the thermostat manufacturer. One of the other typical problems is failing to secure conductors properly, leaving stray copper that shorts adjacent terminals and blows control board fuses. Fix by trimming insulation correctly, seating the conductor fully under the clamp or screw, and testing continuity with a meter before reapplying power. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC and electrical contractors, connecting homeowners who need thermostat installation with qualified technicians who follow proper wiring protocols. The directory also helps contractors get work by showcasing verified reviews and detailed service profiles, so both homeowners and professionals find each other reliably.